Yeah. Look, gotta push it to the limit. Won't stop, gotta work it till we finish. Hammer time, know we gotta get it. About to stack them racks on racks on racks and get back to the business. Oh yeah, gotta push it to the limit. Won't stop, gotta work it till we finish. Hammer time, know we gotta get it. About to stack them racks on racks on racks and get back to the business. Yeah. When the horn sounds, I'm nothing to mess with. My blood, sweat, and tears, man, is always expected. Can't stop until the buzzer hits all of the zeros. Can't stop until the bank account got 6 of them zeros. Said there's mansions on the beach and the family can eat. And looking back on legacy and claim that we was their heroes. Don't care for the cap, no time to relax. I'm coming hard with the facts. This game that's laced with attacks. If we fail, then we back to the lab like Dexter, wishing all these very needy DDs would get up on they weak D's work. That is me, man, it's grind, not for free. How they talk, fantasy, how we work, reality. Look, gotta push it to the